Today I'm going to be reviewing KitchTek. This is KitchTek mug warmer. Look at this thing. Pretty big, 4 inches across. There's my hand. You get an idea of the size right there. Real easy on and off. This is the display right here. Obviously, when you're not using it, I would suggest unplugging it. There's the cord on the back. I just reviewed another one of theirs, so I haven't plugged this one in, but I know it gets hot. It has 4 temperatures. This is what it looks like up close. 4 setting temperatures for this. So you can set it to 131, 145, 167, 185 degrees. Also, really cool, it has a sensor. So if you have your mug on here and you take it off, it will automatically turn this unit off until you put it back on. This is really a perfect size for your desk. A very small footprint, as you can tell right there. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.3 stars right there. 474 reviews. 1,000 of these were bought in October 2025. And they come in a bunch of different colors. You've got the black. You also have a green, a blue, a pink, like a purple, a white, and a brownish one. So you can choose whatever will fit what you like. There you go, everyone. There's the back. There's the cord. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.